honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making these really fun, adorable green spider cupcake liner embellishments. These are so cute. Okay, so I love these. I'm going to show you guys how I made these really cute, adorable embellishments. Very, very simple, super quick, and they just turned out adorable, didn't they? I love them. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, what do you need for this project? Let me put you closer to me. Simple, as always, cupcake liners. Okay, you guys know me, right? I like cupcake liner, obsessed. Okay, so we have 2 cupcake liners here because I want to show you how to make this one also in the event that you don't have any kind of stickers that you can use for your embellishments. You can go right ahead, go to the Dollar Tree, find these adorable little plastic spiders that you can really find anywhere, not just at the Dollar Tree. You can even find these at Michael's or even Walmart, anywhere. And you can also use these as well, okay? So I'm going to show you one way how to do it, and I'm going to show you another way how to do it. So let's do the green spider first. I love these. Okay, my cupcake liners are here. I'm using these fun little mini cupcake liners. If you guys watch my videos before, you already know how to do this. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Okay, we're going to fold the cupcake liners like this, and we're going to scrunch it in the center to create a nice little embellishment like this. And then if you feel you need to make it smaller, then just play around with it and get the size that you're looking for, and voila. All right, that's what you're going to do. Okay, so here I have my cupcake liners for my little green spider. So what I did here is I added a nice little tiny spider web on the back of my cupcake liner. I got these spider webs at, I don't know where. I want to say Target, but I'm not sure. It may also have been Tuesday morning. I'm not really sure. I've been having this forever. But I have these little mini, tiny spider web glittery embellishments here, and so I'm going to add that to the front of my 2 cupcake liners. Okay, on the back I already added some dimensions so I can lift up my little embellishment when I am ready to add my sticker. It's going to give it a little bit of a lift. Okay, so I'm going to add that, a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to add this to the middle of my cupcake liner, just like so. And I'm going to do this one. This one I haven't done anything with, so let's do this one together. I have these dimensions that I get at the Dollar Tree. They work amazing. I'm going to cut this in half because I don't need too much. Actually, that's a little bit less than half. I'm going to add some glue on the back here. And I'm going to add this to my little spider on the back. Spider web on the back, just like that. And then I'm going to glue this to my cupcake liner. Just like that. And that's what you should get. Just simple, little, cute little embellishment. Just like that. And just like that. All right. Okay. So now we're going to add the sticker. I have this foam little green spider sticker that I want to add in front of my little spider web. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to add that in front of my spider web. just like that. How cute. For this one, since we're using these little plastic rings that you get at, you know, any craft store, we're going to cut the backing off the ring so that it can adhere to the cupcake liner better. You can use your scissors for this. It's very easy to just chop off. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to my spider in the back. And then I'm going to add my spider to my cupcake liner in the front. Just like that. And this one is already done. Now for this one, the only thing that I did was I added some googly eyes. So let's do that. Let's add some googly eyes. And then we're done with this adorable, simple embellishment. Now I made these embellishments specifically for a treat that I have, but I can't really tell you guys about it because my co-workers watch my videos, and if I show you, then it's not going to be a surprise to them. So if you guys want to see how I use these, follow me on Instagram, and I will be posting the pictures on Instagram tomorrow, okay? But for the most part, that is what we got. This is the cutest little adorable embellishment ever. I love it. So cute. It's simple too, right? Very easy. And for those of us who don't have stickers, then again, get yourself those little plastic spiders, and you can also do the same thing too. All right, my loves? I love you. I hope this is helpful. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscription button so that you can get some information or notification on when I'm uploading videos. If you want to get some information, you would have to probably click on the little bell, and that will let you know when I'll be posting more videos for you guys. All right, my loves? I hope this is helpful. I hope this is give you some inspiration, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching me create these adorable embellishments. I love you all. I'll see you soon, okay?